Let's make our basketball paper cup game. First, we make the paper cup. For this, we need a square piece of paper. I'm using some scrap paper that I'm reshaping into a square, as you can see here. You need to fold it into a triangle, so that first fold is actually quite handy. And then you need to bring the point up. Make sure the lines are perpendicular with the bottom. Now repeat on the other side, bring the point across, and again make sure the lines are perpendicular and lined up. Fold down the flap, flip over and fold down the second flap. Your basic cup's finished, but I'm just going to tuck these flaps in because it just makes the cup hold together a bit more strongly. So again, tuck that in, a bit fiddly, but it's okay. And there you go. Your basic paper cup is finished. Let's decorate it. I'm decorating my paper cup with a basketball hoop in mind. So I've chosen to give it like an orange little hoop at the top, and then I'm going to make the basket weaves, or whatever you want to call it. As you can see, they're basically using a ruler, and I'm doing parallel lines in line with the sides of my hoop, and then just some little finishing touches. So my basketball hoop is pretty much done. So all you need to do is shape the cup a little bit, just give it some, squeeze it and push in the bottom, and that makes it like a little hoop or cup shape. And now I'm going to make the basketball. I just tied a knot in a piece of string, I'm scrunching it around some scrap orange paper, and that's your basketball done. That's how easy it is. Cut a little bit off the other end, make a little knot, and again tape it onto the inside of your paper cup. And your basic ball and cup game is finished. Enjoy!